If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings and ensure that the voice chat options are enabled. Make sure your input and output devices are correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Step 2. Verify your device settings. Check your computer's audio settings to ensure that the microphone and speakers are functioning properly. Make sure they are not muted and that the correct devices are set as default. Step 3. Update your drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use your operating system's update feature to download the latest drivers. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting Overwatch 2 can resolve temporary glitches. Close the game completely and relaunch it to see if the voice chat starts working again. Step 5. Check for game updates. Make sure that Overwatch 2 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including voice chat issues. Check for updates in the game launcher. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.